Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you doing?
Good afternoon. I'm good, and I really enjoying and looking after the things, the new
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
Basically, most of the things are AI generated and all.
Yeah.
How AI is coming up in our society and how is covering all the disciplines of the life. That
Yeah.
is very important.
Correct.
And I feel that now school education has to inculcate all these platforms
I'm getting-
from the very root level.
Right.
And that's why, as per the NEP, they have started this thing.
Correct. And also, Didac this time is doing quite a good job. There are a lot of AI companies which are coming down. They're doing a lot of
Yeah,
things and stuff
definitely.
like
Because
that.
I've just gone through so many stalls, and I just wondered how many people are there come with the robotics, AI, and one way it was like that. I just attended a workshop about Sati, and it was regarding that how it can become a Sati to a teacher, and it can help out how to we can monitor how much progress students have got after this lesson and all.
Right.
So it was a wonderful experience to be here because
Yeah.
we have come to know how we are doing in the
Right.
classrooms.
Right.
And still after coming to this place, I really feel that we are a traditional teacher.
Right.
Because we have to be more, we have to more imbibe more points in us.
Correct.
Yeah.
I didn't even ask. So sorry, we didn't get a chance to introduce your name and where you're from to the audience. Could talk a little bit about your name, where you're from, which school you're a part of, and how long you've been in education.
I'm an educator and I'm from KL International School, Merit.
Right.
And I've been in education from last 25 years.
Right.
And I joined KL International School in 2011. And since then, I've joined and my innovations and all the things, they got wings because they provide teachers platform where they can expand their horizon and and that's why from the school side we are here.
Right.
So that whatever we are getting from here, we can impart in our students.
Correct.
So
Give
I
it back
really,
to the school for all the
yeah,
opportunities
of
they're
course,
giving
and
to
I
everything,
really
right?
feel happy that I am a part of KLI family
Yeah.
because they really take care and they're very supportive,
Right.
and they provide all platforms where they can train their teachers
Right.
so that
You've
they
been
can
there
teach
for
the young minds.
13 years. So that's quite a long
Yeah,
time.
because
Yeah.
at one place, 13 years really matters,
Yeah.
and the credit goes to our school management and the principal.
Wonderful. So happy to hear that, schools are taking such good care of their teachers, right?
Yeah,
it's very
of
nice.
course. It's very important thing because
Yeah.
when stays at one place, when they get the support and all the care.
Correct. Now I'm sure like every child in KL International School feels like your child only,
Yeah,
the amount of
same.
care and everything that
Even
you
the
take.
teachers and the students, they are on the same platform.
Yeah.
It's not about the teachers; they are being cared.
Yeah.
Even the students, they are the utmost, the careful environment situations everywhere. Our school is looking after the things so that their security is our priority.
Right. That's very nice. Very nice to hear everything the school is doing. Tell us a little bit about why you got into education. आपको किस टाइम पे लगा था कि education में जाना पड़ेगा?
Actually, when I was in my graduation level, it started by accident. But when I've started teaching, I really find it's very interesting field because when you teach children, they really respect you, and the things you get from them in back, it's really noteworthy.
Right.
I said remarkable. So when I started teaching them, I was able to update myself more.
Right.
I really felt at the time when I started teaching, कि whatever I have got into myself, whatever the teaching, whatever I'm giving them, I have to update myself because my children minds are up to above level, and they may ask this thing, that thing, and all. I started preparing myself beforehand, so my classes become more interactive and all.
Yeah.
And I love about that.
Yeah.
And then when I was talking to children and I'm solving their problems and all, so I came more closer to them.
Right.
And I really feel that we are the educators, we are giving to the society, doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs and all. So I really feel our contribution to society is more significant than any other one field because they belong to one field only, and we are giving to all.
The other day I was talking to somebody and I told them the doctors, the army, everything in India, right? From the scientists, so the technology to me, to tech companies, everyone is built by teachers.
Yeah.
Teachers are the one who create. The teachers
Yeah, they have
actually of
created them.
India's
They have
future, right?
created them, yes.
Yeah. So 24 years teaching, right? I'm sure you have seen a lot of change
Yeah.
from how education has
Yeah,
been.
of course.
From a blackboard to now going through COVID to doing online classes to setting up, trying to get this many. Like, for example, when I look at Didac, what impresses me the most is the fact that this was never there when I was in school. In
Ah, yeah,
90s
sure.
and 2000s, none of this was there.
Certain, so you're
So
right,
in
right.
many ways, sure, there was no distraction, but also in some ways, there's so much power right now for teachers to be able to actually understand what a child is really good at.
Actually, at
bring
the
it out.
time, the teachers were only giving the auditory material.
Correct.
And they were using the chalk and duster kind of teaching and all, chalk and talk, I must say.
Yeah.
So now they are having the visually attractive things
Correct.
where they can see, they can perceive, because some of the students, they really feel good when they see something.
Correct.
And they do not hesitate to ask something whenever things are there. They get back to the things because whatever the lectures are there, because even in our schools, we are having the smart boards.
Correct.
So we even just save the videos for later on and save the teachings, all the material we are teaching them. And students, if they are absent and all, they can see it in the free periods.
Yeah.
If the library period is there and the child has missed that class and all, so all the things are being recorded there.
Right.
So student, with the permission of the teacher, they can view it and they can sit in the classroom. So this kind of teaching is really helping them,
Yeah.
where the teacher can side by side. Earlier, what is there? We are teaching them just one page, then we are asking the questions. So students really feel that hesitate. They really feel hesitated to answer the teacher.
Right.
Why? Because if they are not able to, they will feel shy. So what is there? Now we are having, then and there only we are preparing with the AI tool, I must say, we are having that. So we are preparing a questionnaire and we are asking the students in the MCQ based and vocabulary based. That is enriching them how to answer. And students, they write on in their copy only, then and their answers. And that is not a thing that we are going to interact only with 4 or 5 students.
Right.
So multiple things are there and students are doing it. So it's really, the classroom has become very interactive, interesting, because not only that one, we are showing them the videos
Correct.
and how to get into, and that is giving them more clarity about a topic.
Yeah.
So this is the need of the hour, that we should install smart boards.
Right.
And because it is going to cater the all kind of needs of the children.
I think one thing that I got reminded of when I was talking, when you were telling me right now, is that us time pe na, how we were as kids also, we were not so technologically forward.
Yeah.
As kids, we never had smartphones. Even when I was in college, we didn't have WhatsApp.
Yes.
हमें SMS करना पड़ता था. Call की 1 मिनट की 1 रुपया लगता था. ये सब
Yes.
होते थे ना. But now when
That was a
children
costly affair.
correct. Now when children are advancing, it's very good what you're saying, that your school, many other such schools are actually going forward with it. They're trying to catch them where they are, which is a very good point, right? So normally why we're doing this podcast is because after coming into education, I realized we need more people in education, more young people coming here and doing some incredible things, right? What is it that you love the most about education? Why do you think somebody who's currently, let's say, doing something else, doesn't know what they want to do with their life, but they have a lot of skills, a lot of experience, they have learned a lot, right? Why do you think more people need to come into education?
Actually, now, as per the new NAP, more skill-based education is being given, and our
Correct.
students are more excellent to that.
Correct.
And I feel that when that pandemic time, online education came, we already, we just excel ourselves at the time.
Correct.
We trained ourselves.
Correct.
So we trained at what time? When it was the need of the hour.
Correct.
So now they are from I must say from class 5 or 6, it's been to 6 or 7 years to that happened, that
Right.
pandemic time and all.
Right.
So now they are more excel and they have more access to many things and all.
Right.
Skill-based education and all. I really feel why the students are going to one field only, engineering, doctor and all like that.
Yeah.
They must come to the teaching profession.
Right.
Because now teaching is really helpful for them to provide, to just spread their wings,
Right.
and they can touch at many aspects. And it's not like that traditional teaching only English is required and all. Now English labs are there.
Correct.
So, and even so many projects are coming up where the British Council is there.
Right.
So students are getting into things where they can get the platform, many sites,
Right.
and even if they're coming to the new generation, are coming to teaching education, definitely will be helpful for them.
100%. And
Because
somebody that I was talking to, was telling me that you come into education because you want to be a change maker. I meet so many people nowadays who do a job, and after 4 or 5 years, they're just continuously doing the same
Of
thing
course,
over and over again.
we are not a change maker.
Yeah.
We have to update ourselves. We are a learner. I
Right.
feel that all the teachers are learner,
Right.
and they can't say we are the change makers, because even some of the students, they are more learned than us.
Absolutely.
I really feel. And the reason is Google, they can Google.
Yeah.
And they have many platforms where they have the access to where they have to go and all. But it's the one thing I just wanted to ask the students. Earlier they're going to engineering there and they come back to the teaching. Why don't they decide to come into the education sector.
Earlier.
Earlier
Instead of
only.
going through that.
Of
entire-
course.
Yeah.
Now there is a really, it's not the monetary drums. It is a respect
Absolutely.
that you just receive
The
from the
value that you
society and
add
all
to
the
the
value and all.
society.
So
Yeah.
whenever you just go out and you find your students, they are doing wonderful good and all. It seems that feeling is really, I can't express in words. It's awesome when you see your students are there doing
Even if you win the best
multiple
employee
things.
award, you won't feel that.
Of course, not
No
the best
matter what
employee.
you
No,
do.
no
Yeah,
award.
nothing.
No award can fill that kind of feeling. That you ecstatic feeling that you can feel
made a
when you
change in
see.
their life.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
you were
we
a
have
part.
just changed that. We have made that change in their life and all.
I was talking to somebody else earlier in the podcast when I was telling them that it's like nowadays for every kid, right? माँ होता है, पापा होते हैं, and एक mentor होते हैं or educator होते हैं. So for you, for 20 years later, to see them really spread their wings and fly, and to know that you played a part, I'm sure you must sleep very happily at night that day, knowing that I was a part of that journey.
Yeah,
right?
of course. I'm really love to be a part of this journey only.
Yeah.
Because at not a single point I really felt that why I never felt dejected that why I choose myself to be a teacher.
Oh, that's so rare. It's outside. Nobody else
because
feels that in any.
I never
any
felt
field.
that kind of burden in my life because
Yeah.
some of the teachers they feel burden in their job and all.
Yeah.
I never felt that kind of thing because
Yeah.
when I impart good things in my students and they're doing and they're excelling in their fields and all.
Yeah.
So at that time I really felt yes. I made a change in their life and that change is brought by me and I have to bring more new things and I have to open new layers for them so that they can acquire more knowledge about that. So to give them more, I have to update myself. And that is the point I just wanted to give. Just one thing about the teachers, keep updating yourself.
Right.
And only then you can get a kind of respect in the eyes of your students.
Yeah.
If you are a traditional teacher, students will come to know that I am more knowledgeable than my teacher.
Right. And that's very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Right.
So, not to be a traditional teacher, become an innovative educator where you can research
Right.
and you can come to know about what are the aspirations of your students
Right.
and catering to that need, you can bring a change in yourself. So, we are not a change maker. We have to bring a change in ourselves
Right.
so that we can come across whatever the roads are there and we can come parallel to other students,
Right.
those who are having more accessibility to the education system.
I feel like honestly, somebody might miss or forget a Shah Rukh Khan movie they saw 2-3 years ago, but
Yeah.
they'll never forget a teacher
Yeah.
who had a impact on them.
Impact on them.
So
right.
the true heroes and heroines are the teachers today,
Of
making
course.
a change in everything. But thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It was
Love
nice
talking
being
to you. It was very nice. So easy
Thank
to
you,
talk
sir.
to
It was same here.